Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find the features. Let's tap on it. As you can see on the third position we've got the system navigation, so let's enter, and here we've got two different options for the navigation style. We've got the virtual navigation, so the 3 buttons navigation, and the gestures. Before I will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer: if you'd like to stick with the virtual navigation because you will decide that you don't really like the gestures, here you can customize it actually just by tapping on this kind of settings icon. Here, as you can see, you can reorder the back button and the reset, so you can pick the position of it and you can decide if you want to always show the navigation bar. But let me go back, and in order to actually set the gestures you have to just tap on this option, and as you can see the 3 buttons will immediately disappear, and instead of this we do not have any kind of line or something like that like in many other devices. We've got just a clean and clear screen. And here we've got some kind of tutorial, some kind of help, so you've got the steps, you can learn how to use them. Basically I will just show you how to use the gestures. You can also customize them here. You can decide if you want to use the Google Assistant or if you want to see the visual feedback for gestures. It's actually up to you. I will leave them in order to show you actually. So, how to use them. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and it doesn't really matter from which side because it works the same. Slide it, and if you've got, of course, the gestures, you will see this arrow and you will be able to simply go back. And as I said, the same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, and then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short motion and quite quick, I would say, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, we have to swipe our finger from the bottom to the center again, but this time do it, I would say, slowly, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gesture and navigation in your ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.